Why are Decораport's prices much lower than competitors? To answer this question, you need to know the retailing system. There are two kinds of sellers, physical stores and online stores. Whether a physical store or an online store, both have four main costs in the middle, which causes a $1 product in factories to be sold for $4 to $6 in stores. The physical stores dominate the home and garden market. Their operation and marketing costs are very high because each store can only cover customers within a 5-kilometer radius. Online stores emerge in the home and garden market. The marketing, shipping, and service costs are their weaknesses since home and garden products are heavy and big and customers need to see the products before they buy them. Decoraport combines the strength of physical stores and online stores, building a new retailing system. Our system is city-centered, online, and localized. Local unmanned showroom, local direct delivery, local one-stop service. We are online, so our operation and marketing costs are much lower than physical stores. We are localized, the local unmanned showroom and local direct delivery resulting in our marketing, shipping, and service costs being much lower than online stores. We lower all the middle costs with the new retailing system, so our prices are 20 to 50% lower than any competitor. Super system, super prices. Decoraport, the power of new retailing.